Why don't you share a little bit with what you're doing here today at Women's Empowerment and why you decided to come to the building today?
I just wanted to support the movement. I wanted to support women and support the empowerment. And I thought this was an important event. I've been traveling all week, but I thought it was important that I come out.
Well, speaking of like your travels, what exactly have you been doing as far as like your activism and what have you been doing since, the news has basically, died down a little bit with Trayvon and everything?
I have been speaking as an advocate. I have been reaching out to other families of senseless gun violence. We have a foundation, the Trayvon Martin Foundation.org, and we have a website where you can go out and you can go to the website and see some of the things that we are doing in the community and around the world, basically. And that's what we primarily do, is reach out to other families of victims of senseless gun violence.
Absolutely. So what would be your message then today to young women out here at Women's Empowerment, wanting to become empowered, wanting to take the things that happen to them in life and turn them into something that, benefits other people? What would be your message?
My message would be for them to be encouraged, for them to build themselves up so they're strong enough to help another mother, to help another woman. And so I just tell basically when I talk about my message and I talk about my journey, I just tell them to be encouraged, and it starts within.
Thank you so much
for
speaking with us today. You are such an encouragement. I think you're so great.
Thank you.
Thank you.